So Shekhar, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can hear you.
Okay. So let's start with you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, Shekhar. So first introduce yourself and then upload your presentation and then do it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Hi there. Good evening. My name is Dhanshekar. I am currently pursuing my bachelor's in technology in the field of artificial intelligence at VJIT Hyderabad. I am also with Exact since last 6 months. That under the guidance of Shubham. That problem that I am working on is tuberculosis detection. We also know that tuberculosis is the most affected disease in India, and it is more effective than HIV and also few malaria and many other diseases in India. Sir, can I present my PPT?
Yes, you can start with the presentation.
Okay, sir. Sir, can I see you my PPT, sir?
Yes, I can see it. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Tuber- Tuberculosis it is more effective disease. It is caused by the bacteria called mycobacterium, and it is more effective than malaria, HIV, and few other diseases. And it is growing more in India. You also and there are few other types in tuberculosis. One is latent tuberculosis and active tuberculosis, and it is we're coming to the Latin TB. It is a it is a non-active disease, and we cannot observe the symptoms, but we can but we can observe some the abnormalities in our chest area, where the active TB is it's a kind of flu or some flu, and it is spread through the humans. We in recent days we can also see COVID-19. It is also a flu which can spread to the humans, and the active TB is also one of that kind. Detecting TB, there are few methods. When it coming to the first method, it is detected using the blood sample, and also the other detection is through the skin, and it is used to detect the latent TB. And for this, we are traditionally following an approach that involves humans to detect the tuberculosis. And we are coming with a tool that detects the TB. Our our TB detection tool is a digital application that takes the input of a chest X-ray as an image and classify whether the person with TB or not. And in backend, it is a CNN classified classification model. We also know that CNN is a popular deep learning approach. It deals with the continuous data. It going more technically. It is a it is a popular tool used in machine learning. The future scope of this model is it is more accurate than traditional method. We also know that humans are tendency to do mistakes, but when we come into this digital application, it is more accurate and it does not make more mistakes than human, and it is very economical and it does not require any maintenance charges. Thank you. And also I want to thank the Exact for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Thank you, Shekhar. Riyaz, would you like to present now?
Hi, good evening. This is Riaz. I'm currently pursuing third year of BTech in Vidyajyoti Institute of Technology in the artificial intelligence. Presently, I am working on a neural style transfer problem in which image is taken as input and that image is converted into several images using some machine learning techniques. I'm going to present my screen. Basically, I have collected data from Google. Yeah. Introduction to my problem is I have taken an image and changed that image into different styles by applying filters on that image. Like describing on my problem, it gives support to image recognition, animation characters, and some social media platforms like Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, etc. And coming to the impact, it is giving a great impact to the gaming industry. In this, it is possible to separate the style representation and content representation in a CNN learned during a computer vision task. And this is an image describing the approaching of model building. I have used GAN, like Generative Adversarial Network. In GAN, there are two submodels, one generator model and a discriminator model. In generator model, like when we give an input, new examples are generated, and in discriminator it is checked whether it is a real or a fake. Like here in this, when we have given input, we have generated some examples. It is a real example. While coming to the discriminator model, if it checks if it is real, then gives output, or else if it is fake, it will be updated with the discriminator model. Data collection. I have collected some data from the Google. I have challenged the faces no challenges and some raw data collected from the Google. And this is why after training I have changed this image into these two outputs. Future scope. The domain will be used in gaming industry, animation industry, social media platforms like Snapchat, Instagram, etc. The impact is that we have all heard about metaverse, which is an virtual world. It takes some images in the them into real character in the virtual world. We use this approach to capture images and apply some filters on that image so that we can choose what style we want. That's it. Thank you.
Trinath, would you like to present now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sirve. Sirve. Manager. Hello, sir. Good evening. I'm Priyam from VJIT, pursuing IT branch. We are going to tell about the facial recognition. Uh,
Trinath, I think we lost you. Trinath, I think we lost you. We are stuck at your screen. Can you hear me? Hello, Trinath. Uh, Trinath, can you hear me? Trinath, you are stuck in this presentation. Okay. Uh, Vamsi, are you there with us?
Sir, me and Prinath are doing the same project work, sir. Your team
Okay.
member.
Oh, your team members. No? So can you please
Yes.
present on his behalf?
So I don't have that PPT, sir.
You don't
I'll
have
contact him by 1 minute, sir. Wait.
Okay, sir. Vamsi and Trinath, can you guys come to the center on 3rd to present this?
No, sir. Actually,
You can attend this online only, no?
yeah, yes, sir. We prefer
Okay.
on.
So make sure that when you are presenting this live, you have a good internet connection and we don't lose you.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay. Can you get him back?
Yes, sir. I'm contacting. Sorry, could not take the PPT, sir. sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, hi
Thank
Trinath.
you.
So please start again.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Trinath,
Hello,
it will be
sir.
Trinath, it will be better if you can like turn on your camera to show yourself and then introduce yourself.
Sir, sorry for the inconvenience. We lost the power in our area.
It's all right. Do one thing. Turn on your camera so that your face is visible. Okay, and then introduce yourself and then start your presentation.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Also, myself, Jitrinath. I'm from Vijayati. Uh, I'm going to take the concept of face recognition. Mm, by going to the topic, face recognition is used to identify people in by recognize the people with their photos and also in videos. Mm, facial recognition is a biometric software which used to identify the people. Uh, it can store the data of the people as face print. By using the deep speech, it compares the uh, captured face and compare with the database that available in the um, available inside the dataset. It is also used to secure the personal details inside the mobile by the face lock, and also it is recognized the faces in the airports. It is useful to find the missing persons, like children are missing. It is useful to find them in the streets. Pre-processing of the facial recognition, it consists of four steps. First step is going to face detection. It has to detect the face of the person in front of camera, and it is going to analyze the face of the person as distance of the eyes, depth of the eye socket, distance of forehead to chin. Like the data is analyzed by the uh, deep speech and convert the image into the data. It converts the data of the face into the mathematical formulas. Uh, it converts the numeric that numerical code is called face print. By the face print, it matches if the it checks the matching find of the database of the known faces. It checks for the uh, related faces in the database, and it gets the final match. It also using in future by prevent the retail crime. If any persons are being outside to make a crime by them, by the face recognition, we can catch the person. And also if the children are missing inside, if we children are missing, by the facial recognition, we can catch them and also track the school attendance. Mm, and school attendance is running in China country, and also can validate the ATM by identity of the face, and also control the access to sensitive areas that some of the people are restricted to come in some places. By facial recognition, you can control them. That's it, sir.
Thank you, Trinath. You can stop presenting now. Aryan? Aryan, are you there with us?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
So, would you like to present now?
Yeah, sir, fine.
Okay, go ahead.
Should I hand my camera?
If you can turn in the camera, it will be better.
Okay, sir. Is my screen visible, sir?
It's not visible, not yet.
Now is it visible, sir?
Uh, yes, it's visible now.
Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm Aryan Raj from BJIT. So I'm working with Shubham, sir. Exact. So my topic is diabetic retinopathy. Coming to introduction. So diabetic retinopathy is a diabetic complication which affects our eyes. What happens is when a person has high blood sugar levels, this high blood sugar level affects our blood vessels in our eye, which results in a blindness in about 5 years. So we never know we have a diabetic retinopathy or not. A- Any diabetic patient can have this disease. So due to lack of proper technology, we can't detect this disease. So if we see the images in our slide, we cannot predict which is disease affected or not. So it can be done with doctor's assistance itself. So it's a problem itself. So we should we are here to predict a model which can predict this disease by these images. So unbalanced medical imaging datasets makes this problem more difficult. So coming to our problem data, this data is collected from competitions, Kaggle competition held in 2015 and 19 respectively. So here we have five stages from ranging from no DR to proliferative DR. So no DR means the person who doesn't have diabetic retinopathy. Coming to proliferative DR, it means that when this disease is in its peak stage, oxygen supply to our nerves is blood vessels in our eye stops, which results in damaging of our retina and gel-like fluid stops comes in our eyes, which is a very serious problem. So this is our data collection. Coming to our pre-processing, every model has to be balanced to be perfect. So here we have balanced a sample from our took a balanced sample from our unbalanced data and to train it. We are taking 145 samples from each class so that the data is balanced. Our objective is to create a model which performs well on this data set. So we have used two kinds of images, RGB rescale and binary rescale. So what this model predicts is the class label and the probability associated with it. Coming to model building and training, we are using ResNet 152 and denser architecture in our models, and the metric we are using is quadratic kappa. Our aim is to make this model as per the medical standards so that it can be used in real life. Diabetic retinopathy is one of the unsolved problem in our life. So if we try to solve this problem, then it will be useful. AI can be useful. AI can be useful to the medical field, and people can believe in AI. Medical people can believe in our AI. So that's it, sir. Thank you.
Okay, Aryan, thank you very much. You can stop presenting now. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone for this. Okay. See you all on 3rd. Let's see you all on 3rd of December. Okay guys, so I'm ending this meeting now. If you have any questions, you can then text me or call me on my phone. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.